Prime Minister Narendra Modi has achieved a significant milestone by surpassing 100 million followers on his social media account X. India's retail digital payment is likely to double to $7 trillion by 2030, says a joint study by Kearney and Amazon Pay. National Testing Agency (NTA) has announced the retest will be conducted for affected candidates of the Common University Entrance Test undergraduate. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma met Prime Minister Narendra Modi today in New Delhi. In football, Spain won its record 4th European Soccer Championship after defeating England 2-1 in the finals of Euro 2024 in Berlin.